Today, here they assembled nomadic tribes, semi-nomadic tribes, and denotified nomadic tribes. Particularly Banjara community, these communities are considered as nomadic tribes, criminal tribes before at the time of British period. And those communities, they were also considered as criminal tribes only.
When did they remove that?
1952.
So it was not removed by the British, it was removed by
by the government of India. They have removed, sir.
हमार बेटा बोड़ी जो को मलके ने साटा तोड़ीन जाच साटा तोड़ीन गे तो बे बेटा उड़ा कोड़ा कोड़ा का जो सालिन मेला चा हम
वे तीजना जो को वडार केटी राठौड़ बापू वही हमें होटो देतो है वरदार जो को हमें जो को प्रकाश राठौड़ साहब काई तो ही हमें उधार करिए काई करन केताणी ना हम
Sir, Indira Gandhi ji brought us to in a SC category. So with that we have come up, but still we are struggling because our villages are not revenue villages.
ಹಿಂದುಳಿದ ಒಂದು ಸಮುದಾಯದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಸರ್. ಕ್ಷಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ನಮ್ಮದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ನಮಗೆ ಜಾಗಗಳಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಮನೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳುಗೋಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ.
The question is, how many of these people, she said that they don't have any land. So I'm asking how many of these landless people from this community exist in this district?
1,26,000 ಜನ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸಮುದಾಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ
ನಾವು ಇರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಸವಲತ್ತು ಏನೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ.
Some of them are doing in agriculture in the forest area. What the Forest Settlement Act we got, it is only for the tribes. For these scheduled castes, we are not able to provide them. The bigger issue we have to take up here is, for these people it is, they have to show a record of 75 years. For ST, they have to show a record of 25 years. So all of them are requesting that you also keep us in a par. This is the major concern for all of them.
Can you thank them all for coming here today and giving me their valuable time? Some of these issues that they have discussed are fundamental to human dignity, and I can understand the difficulty they're going through. The Forest Right Act is a very powerful legislation to help people who are living in the forest region. And when we come to power in Karnataka, we will look at the possibility of including them in that. I'd like to once again thank them all for coming here. Namaskar.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
मौसम मिले बढ़ते कदम न रुक पाएंगे कोई रोक सके तो रोक ले आभास है विश्वास है जन जन में मन की आस है अब तोड़ ना सके कोई हमें ये हाथ से जुड़ते हाथ हैं हम दिल की सुनकर निकले हैं इस देश ने दी आवाज है बोल साथ हमारे कौन चलेगा बोल साथ हमारे कौन चलेगा बोल साथ हमारे कौन चलेगा एक मेरा कदम मिल जाए जुड़ जाए अपना वतन मिल जाए जुड़ जाए अपना वतन चली 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 भारत जोड़ो यात्रा चली 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 चली